And we're back. What's up, everyone? Hope everyone is staying safe out there. And before I even get started, all I want to say is that yes, I've been lately getting work. Maybe you guys also getting work, as you see. But what I notice more that is better than getting work right now is my prospect list. I have a prospect list, and right now it's about a good 10, 12, prospects, which that's great because I could convert those into maybe at least 3 of them into sales once I close the deal. But you always gonna need prospects. One thing before the shutdown was that I was still working, but once I finished working and I saw my prospect list, and that was the first time I didn't see no prospects, that's when I said things are getting serious here. But anyway, I'm gonna continue working on the shop. I'm doing some repairs, some fixing up, and the other thing I'm gonna do is my frames. These frames been here for about 3 years, maybe 4, and it's time to get rid of them. And I'm gonna put these little frames when you enter the shop, and I'm gonna replace them with these screens here. Those screens are the ones that got damaged, the mesh got messed up. If you have screens like that, do not throw them out. Be creative, do something with them. What I'm doing with these frames is picture frames. That's what I'm gonna do. I have the chrome right here, spray can. I'm gonna have this as the background, as the mesh, and then I'm gonna use the pellet as part of whatever I print there is gonna go on the wall. I got my little sandpaper to sand the frames up so that spray can, the chrome, will look real nice. But you will see how nice when you use these frames. People like them. They'll come in, they see the frames up. I used to have some frames up there before. I got rid of them, but now I'm gonna redo them in a better style, match the whole shop. And I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna go to the backyard, print them up. I'm gonna put it right here on the table. And as you see, I have my backyard here. I have a good friend of mine right here, Kasim, cleaning up my whole backyard, cleaning up he's gonna set up the whole grill because I wanna do some burgers. I have a ton of recipes when it comes to burgers. We're gonna be adding that to the channel. But right now, let me get these screens, bring them out here, and get to work. So let's do this. All right, all the 8 frames already done. Check them out. Real nice. Real nice. They came out real nice. Loving it, man. Look at the grill. The grill is all nice and clean. Everything is all set up here like that. Now, what I'm gonna do with the floor, I already ordered the paint. I'm gonna paint the whole floor nice and green. So I could do some little things here in the summer. So now, let me just show you how I'm gonna set up the screens with the stock hard paper and the pellet and put the design that's gonna go on the frame. Let me show you this real quick. Let's do this. Okay, as you see, look how nice they came out. Nice, gonna look real nice up there. So what you wanna do is, you wanna grab your little cardstock, and we're gonna lay it down, and we're gonna put the screen on top right here. This is how it's gonna look. We're just gonna cut the edge off. And this is what you're looking for to get something like this. Now, I'm gonna get a frame and I'm gonna cut that middle. And this is where you're gonna put your design, and it's gonna go on the wall, and it's gonna look awesome. What I'm taking is the back of a picture frame. Here's the back of it. Make sure that it's nice and square, and then I'm just gonna cut the middle be able to have. Now I'm gonna put the paling behind it, and it should look something like this. Put it behind, make sure that it covers the frame, and there it is. Once you print on that paling, you could put your own design in the frame, and then we're gonna hang it up right there. Awesome. So now let me just do all the other 8, then I'll show you when it's on the wall. So now that all my 8 screens are done, now it's time for take a paling and let's get print my first design that's gonna go on that wall. So let's do this. As you see, everything is nice and set up. I gotta set these 4 down here, but look how beautiful it looks. You could put your own design on it and on the wall, frames. Beautiful, beautiful. Once I finish this up, it's gonna look nice. I already took out the ones outside. I'll show you another time, but time is short now. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful, stay safe, and peace out.